So today we're doing a Samsung S3 power button. I just quickly tested it. I took out the button and I cleaned it off with some alcohol, but it's still bad, so it has to be replaced now. So we're just gonna turn on our soldering iron, and then basically this is what happens if you put in the battery. It'll basically start turning on by itself, and then it turns back off. So that's one of the symptoms that we would see with this one. So we'll take out the battery and then we'll go ahead with the repairs. So don't mind the mess. I actually just got a bunch of parts in, so that's why I still haven't been able to sort through them yet. But yeah, so we're just disassembling this one, and then I'll show you how easy it is to actually replace the power button on these ones. We can actually even test it as well before we do the repair with a multimeter. Alright, so there we go. So the power button is right here. We'll test it out with a multimeter just to see the. Okay, so basically, if you put this one here and here, this is both ground. If you can see these two pins. So this one and this one will be ground. So what we want to see is the pad right next to it, the one that goes from the first to here. We're gonna put it on it, and we can see already that, if you can see already that part,